Look around at what we've become, a broken world, paralyzed and numb. Crisis after crisis, we never learn. Watching bridges collapse and cities burn. Closed-minded hatred fills the air. Nobody listens, nobody cares. Divided by the walls we built so high, while empathy and reason slowly die. We can't keep living this way. Tomorrow starts today. Drop your weapons, hear the call. It's time to tear down the walls. Tear down the walls. Break through the barriers. Somehow we need a change. We need to fall so we can rebuild through it all. Listen to the voice of reason. This is our defining season. Tear down the walls. Disconnected from what's real, too defensive, too proud to feel the negativity that surrounds us all. Echo chambers building every wall. We speak but never truly hear, living constantly in fear. The obstacles that keep us apart start breaking down inside the heart. We can't keep living this way. Tomorrow starts today. Drop your pride, answer the call. It's time to tear down the walls. Tear down the walls right now. Break through the barrier somehow. We need a change, we need to fall so we can rebuild through it all. Listen to the voice of reason. This is our defining season. Burn down the old ways. We learn how to communicate with empathy, with open minds. Leave the hatred behind. No more waiting, no more talk. Time to change the way we walk. Mental barriers, emotional chains. Break them all, let go of the pain.